Hello, this is the Real Tom Rose. Let's go ahead and answer this question. The first thing I notice when I start with this question is that this is an algebra and functions question. Right? We have words in the question, we have variables and numbers. And then I notice down here in the answer choices that the answers themselves have variables in them. Whenever I see that, the first thing I always like to consider is plugging in numbers. So if we have, they want to know the total cost of shirts at $20 each and hats at $12 each. So let's suppose that T, the price of shirts, is $2 and H, the price of hats, is $3. We can calculate our total cost at simply the number of shirts we bought, which is number of shirts times the cost of shirt plus the number of hats times the cost of hats. And let's go ahead and plug in here. So number of shirts is 2, cost of shirts is 20, number of hats is 3, and the cost of hats is 12. So the answer would be, in our example with these chosen numbers, would be 40 plus 36, or $76. Now what you could do is go ahead and plug in 2 and 3 into each one of these answer choices and figure out which one equals 76. But one of the things that I've noticed while I was plugging in was that I basically built an algebraic expression for the cost of shirts right here. So instead of 2 and 20, 3 and 12, I'm just going to try putting the H and the T right in the equation. So we'd end up with T times 20 plus H times 12. And this is the same equation that I have right here, except with T and H. Now if you look at the answer choices, you'll notice, and this is a common practice in algebra, to write the coefficients in front of the variables. And this is one of our answer choices. That's A.